Environmental groups urged the Department of Environment and Natural Resources to suspend the operation of a coal-fired power plant in Limay, Bataan. Rey Pelayo will tell us why.
Environmental groups urged the Department of Environment and Natural Resources or DENR to release a directive that would suspend the operation of a coal-fired power plant owned by the San Miguel Corporation and Petron in Limay, Bataan. This was after reports that the said power plant has failed to protect the environment and has caused health hazards to residents living nearby.
Kung ang suspension or cease and desist order ay para lang sa dumping, pero patuloy ang operation ng planta na ito, ay saan nila itadump ngayon ang 250 tons of coal ash?
It can be recalled that DENR released a notice of violation and stoppage order against the dumping site. But the groups say the order is limited to coal ash pond and not included in the halt of the operation. The Philippine Movement for Climate Change, Justice, and National Coordinator of Center for Energy, Ecology, and Development argues that if the power plant in Limay, Bataan continues to produce ash, it would eventually affect the environment and the health of the residents.
Nakakabahala ito dahil una, ang coal kahit pagbali-baliktarin mo man, isa siyang maruming klase ng enerhiya.
Malinaw na meron. Unang-una na dyan, hindi nagbigay ng pahintulot ang local government unit ng Limay sila makimbak. Ang ginawa nila ay nagtambak pa rin ng coal ash despite nung kawalan ng pahintulot o permiso mula sa local government unit.
Aside from the suspension, the environmental group is also urging the DENR to audit first coal-fired power plants in line with the compliance certificates the agency is asking for. The group is also argue that the issue has to be investigated to determine the violations possibly being committed by the management of the power plant. Rey Pelayo, UNTV News and Rescue, Philippines.